Playing an animation forward in Roblox is easy, but what if you want to play that exact same animation backward? Maybe you have a door that needs to close, a punch that needs to rewind, or a character animation that needs to unwind. The good news is, you don't need to create a second animation. There's a simple one-line trick that lets you reverse any animation track. And there's also one small gotcha you need to know about. Let's build it. Here's our setup. I've got a standard R6 rig in the workspace, and I've already created a simple animation using the animation editor. Open the animation editor and load your animation. Look at the playback controls at the top. Next to the normal play button, you'll find a reverse play button pointing to the left. Click it. The timeline now plays from the end of the animation back to the beginning. But remember, this editor button is only for previewing. To reverse the animation while your game is running, we need to upload the animation and control it with a script. So let's publish the animation. In the animation editor, click the three-dot menu and choose Publish to Roblox. Give your animation a name and publish it. Once Roblox finishes publishing, you'll get an animation asset ID. Copy that ID. We'll paste it into our script in a moment. You can find published animations in Toolbox Creator tab, then switch to Animation category. Now let's create the script. Because we're responding to keyboard input, we're going to use a local script. In the Explorer, go to Starter Player Scripts, add a new local script, and call it Reverse Anim Demo. Let's start with the forward version. First, we get the user input service. Then we find our rig, its humanoid, and finally its animator. The animator is what actually plays the animation, so we'll load our animation through the animator. Next, we create an animation object and set its animation ID to our uploaded animation. Then we call load animation. This gives us an animation track. Think of the animation track as our controller. It lets us play, stop, change the speed, and change the current position of the animation. We'll also set looped to false, because we only want the animation to play once. For the forward animation, when we press F, we'll stop anything currently playing, move the playhead to position 0, and play the animation. So press F, and the animation plays normally from start to finish. Now for the interesting part. How do we reverse it? The trick is the animation track speed. If the speed is 1, the animation plays forward. If the speed is -1, the animation plays backward. That's it. But there's one important detail. If we want to play backward, we can't start at position 0. We need to start at the end of the animation. So our reverse recipe is, go to the end, play the track, set the speed to -1. Let's add an R key for reverse. The reverse function is basically the mirror image of our forward function. Okay, let's test everything. Press play. Now press F. The animation plays forward. Press R, and there we go. The exact same animation plays backward. So that's how you play an animation backward in Roblox Studio. Preview it in the animation editor, publish it, load the animation track, move to the end, and use a negative speed. If this tutorial helped you out, consider hitting like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you're planning to use reverse animations for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.